I think I'm the one who's gonna get his brains blown out. That's what I fucking think.
So the Zara Stars 8-week acting for beginners is a workshop has impacted my confidence greatly, I would say, because it has been able to give me that exposure and to understand that I can freely express myself. The feedback and guidance from the instructor has been great. It has been constructive, and we've built on that feedback and then acted upon that feedback and then received more feedback how to better it, because never is never, enough is well. What I appreciate the most about the teaching is that there was an element of humor attached to every learning that was there, which made it slightly, I wouldn't say slightly, it made it extremely enjoyable, and slightly, and less made it feel like a class. So the session, which was for a longer time, just went past as well a couple of times.